Good morning, teacher and classmates. My name is Ronaldo Someta. I'm studying in Zamorano. I'm going to make my video, so let's go.
We're gonna skate to one song only.
This is my video. The topic is stress.
I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. Ooh.
Okay, I'm going to talk about stress. Stress for me is a reaction that the people have when they have problems. So for me, when I'm going to make my test or different exams, so I feel stressed, so I need to control it and breathe and other methods to control the stress. People have stress in their work, in the university, like us, when we have a lot of homework or of job that we have. So this is stress for me. So I'm going to give you another examples of stress, so please pay attention. Okay, everybody, so what causes stress? I'm going to give you a lot of examples. So for me, number one is the job. Why the job? Many people have a lot of job or just a lot of jobs, so this is the main idea, or this is the main problem that the people have provoked stress. The number two is the study. The study, because for us, the people who study in the university, the stress is a first reaction with when we are going to make a test or an exam. So this causes stress. And the number third is sport for some people. So I'm going to give you, I'm going to put a little video, so please pay attention and think what is stress, please. So how to control the stress? So for me, I use this cream to when I have stress, because I have a lot of runch, I don't know how to say, but this cream is good for me because this controls the stress for me, and I don't know what the people use to control the stress. So I think that make sports or think in other activity that don't provoke stress is a good way to control this.
Everyone needs a little stress in their life to perform. Think of a musical instrument. Without enough tension, it goes seriously off tune. But too much stress or tension, and the string could snap. It's the same thing with our bodies. The trick is to keep stress under control and in balance. But what is stress anyway? How does it affect your body and your mind? And what can you do about it? Let's look inside the human body so you can see firsthand exactly what stress is. First off, stress starts off as a feeling and a reaction to certain situations. It's the body's way of making you more alert and ready to take on a challenge. Stress can feel like butterflies in your stomach, worried, cranky, headache, hard to concentrate, jumpy. So let's say you have a big test coming up. You may think all the stress happens in your mind, but actually research shows that your entire body can be affected by stress. Let's take a closer look. When you encounter a perceived threat or are placed in a stressful situation, the hypothalamus, a tiny region at the base of your brain, sets off an alarm system in your body. Through a combination of nerve and hormonal signals, This system prompts your adrenal glands, located atop of your kidneys, to release a surge of hormones, including adrenaline and cortisol. Adrenaline increases your heart rate, elevates your blood pressure, and boosts energy supplies. Cortisol, the primary stress hormone, increases sugars, glucose, in the bloodstream. This natural reaction is called the stress response, and it can help us out a lot when we're in a critical situation, like when a driver or cyclist has to slam on the brakes. All of these stress reactions enhance a person's ability to perform well under pressure. In a milder form, and if managed, the stress response can help you concentrate better and perform better for a recital, an athletic event, or even a test. The problem is that the body doesn't always reset itself to normal, and over the long term, if your mind and body are constantly on edge, you may face health problems. The good news is that you have a lot of control over stress, and if you get in tune with what stresses you out, you can make a plan to manage stress and keep it working for you. How can you bust stress? Sleep. Sleep is the time when your brain and body recharge. Get musical. Listening or playing music is a good stress reliever. Laugh. Laughter fires up and cools down your stress response and increases your heart rate and blood pressure, producing a good, relaxed feeling. Ask for help. Just by asking a trusted adult for help, you'll be able to tune your stress response down a notch. Make like a pro athlete and try out relaxation exercises, like deep breathing and visualization. Exercise and stay active. Just like sleep, exercise chills out your stress response and turns on endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones. Be a problem solver. Get proactive and make a plan to help you manage stressful situations like homework or other challenges you might face. So what's in it for you if you learn to master your stress and turn on your relaxation response? You will concentrate better, have less stomach aches. You might find tests are easier to take. You'll be in a better mood. And guess what? If you keep it up over a lifetime, you might even be healthier too. Too much stress can bring on illness or increase the severity of them, like diabetes and heart disease. Sounds good, doesn't it? Every person is different, so you'll need to experiment to find out which stress-relieving strategies work best for you. The activity sheets that go along with this video will help you figure that out. If you keep at it, before you know it, you'll be in tune with your emotions and your stress. And that's like beautiful music for our bodies, our brains, and our overall health.